So universal pansies, now they're the perfect plant for that sort of quiet time in the autumn when everything's slowly dying away and everything's settling down for the winter. Universal pansies are coming to their own. They're a bit like nighttime, party people are ready to be off. Well, that's the universal pansy. They're beautiful things, they're little faces. This one yellow and black, peaches, blues, all the colours of the rainbow. And at the quiet time of year, these really shine out to you. You can have baskets and tubs, you can have, these garden ready ones are fantastic because these are ready to go in the garden. But you can put them in pots just as easily. All you need to do is a few crocks in the bottom of the pot. Now I've done it with pebbles, you can use polystyrene bowls, you can use anything you want. Just don't cover over that hole that's in the bottom because the water needs to drain away. And it's just, this is just standard universal compost, nothing special. All you do is put that in there, fill it up to about 1 inch from the top of the pot. Tamp it down with your fingers. That's all you really need to do. Then in a pot this size, 6, 7, you don't really need to pack it because these are ready to go. You can see this is a big bud there and the flowers there. And you just use the magic dibber in your pot and it's as easy as that. This one's a nice blue one. I'm no good at colours, so it's probably just as well that some are flowering and some aren't because I wouldn't know which ones to put. There's another, that's a beautiful one. That. So I think I'll probably put half a dozen in here. See, that's a mystery. I don't know what that colour's going to be, but I know it's going to flower because these are absolutely beautiful things. Oh, there's another yellow one. All you do is you just pop that in. Pop that in there, and I think I'll put one in the centre. Oh, another yellow one. That's the mystery of it, you see, you just put one in the centre. So that's all you need to do. Just give it a good soak outside on the yard, and a few bits of gravel on the top, stop the birds and the squirrels. I'm going to put some of these in the garden.